Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some Happy Mail winnings and just going to jump right in. This is from Gail Banks. I'll have her channel listed down below, so make sure you go over and tell her I sent you. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button there as well. All right, so these are my winnings from Gail, and I'm just going to jump right in to share that with you. It came in this beautiful green tissue paper. And let's get that open. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. And she has a card right here. So let's get into the card. Oh, this is so cute. I have this paper too. It says thank you. Oh, she was just congratulating me on winning on her channel of the Dollar Tree giveaway. And thanking me for her supporting her channel. All right. Thanks so much, Gail. I really appreciate it. All right, let's jump into the winnings. I was so excited because I love fall. And so I see those fall stickers there. All right, here we go. I'm so excited about these stickers. Look at that, so cute. And then these gems here. And our Dollar Tree never got the dies. Never did they ever get the dies. Nowhere in South Bend or Mishawaka. And so I'm excited about having that. And there goes some more Dollar Tree stickers. The fall stickers, so cute. Those are just so cute. They never even got these either. So this is my first time having one of these. These are cute. Oh, how cute. Oh, and it got fall items in there too. That's great. That is so great. And it looks like Christmas too. This must be oh, I was going to say this is seasonal. All right. Thanks so much, Gail. I really appreciate that. And then I think I've seen these. So I don't have these. So this is nice. Oh, these rub-on transfers. These are so pretty. I want to say Gail may have done something with these, or I seen someone's channel use these and it was so pretty. Oh, I love that. Look at all these. And this is another set of rub-on transfers here. So pretty. And then look at this little truck there. These are also so pretty. Cute. Ah, look at that. Some wonderful choices, Gail. I love them all. All right, so I will have her channel linked down below, so make sure you go over and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much, Gail. I really appreciate it. You all have a blessed and crafty day.